shark hamburger on Saturday, and I heard noises in this bathroom, and you know what that means, you guys? That means Saint Ghost is here. I just saw him. Of course, he's being inactive now. Good job, man. Full torso is what I want. Legs, too. Give me legs. Give me legs, baby. Full torso. I like it. I like what you got going there. You. Good stuff. Raise your hand. Raise your hand up like this. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't worry, I'm not hitting you. Raise your hand. Come on out. Come on out. Give me 2 ghosts. Yeah, I want 2. I want